This is Xemelgo's RFID shipment tracking solution, designed to improve accuracy and speed by automatically verifying items as they move through a dock door in real time, whether you're shipping or receiving. We start by selecting the order or load number. That pulls in the shipment manifest through an API integration with your backend system, such as an ERP or WMS, so the expected items and quantities are always linked to the source of truth. Next, we select the read point, this specific dock door, which can be done on any device, including forklift-mounted tablets. As pallets or cartons move through the RFID portal, Xemelgo automatically captures every tagged item and verifies it against the manifest. There's no manual barcode scanning and no line of sight required. Verification happens in an instant as freight flows through the door. If there's an issue, an extra item, a missing item, or the wrong SKU, the system flags it immediately. The portal stack light turns red and an audible alarm alerts the operator, stopping errors before the shipment moves forward. Once everything matches the manifest, the stack light turns green. The shipment or receipt is verified, the transaction is completed, and a clean time-stamped record is sent back to the backend system. The result is faster throughput, higher shipment accuracy, and a scalable dock door process for both shipping and receiving, powered by RFID and Xemelgo.